Hello everyone. This afternoon I'm doing a GP20 Proto 2000, a change of gears. It is their usual problem to have cracked gears in those things. I already did too. I just want to show you how I do replace one. So I already set it up in the vise, and we need an NMRA gauge. That will be this one. And then here's the wheel in the vise, where I will be squeezing it till the right size. Make sure your bronze bearings stay loose while you take the measurement. So this one is right on. Just check the bearings that they move on you. And they do. Then I'll put them back in the locomotive. Tweezers would be actually handier with this. It's like the Atheron system, the same thing, the bronze bearings and gears. So there he goes, I thought. Yeah, this is always the fun stuff, guys. There he goes. So the gear is replaced. I have to do another one, and I'll be back with a little trial run so you can hear that the gears are really flawless and calm. Thank you for watching, and to the next video.